Rapido's been in business since 2004, and we got our first shipment of ready-to-run model trains in 2006. And since then, over the last 15 years, Rapido has received a whole bunch of shipments from our factories in China. But today is the first day in our 15-year history we've ever received a full 40-foot container. If you come with me, let's go watch it being pulled in.
Yay!
Yep, right over there.
Working hard there, Hoser. So are you nervous, this huge shipment?
No, we'll be good. We'll get this thing out the door in a week or two.
Seriously?
Yes, yes. Huh. I'm being interviewed. Is that Mike? Where's Janet? Where's Janet? Where's Janet? Where's Janet? Where's Janet? Where's Janet? Find Janet now.
Janet, they're asking for you.
I'll be right back there. No problem.
You wanted this right over here, right?
This has filled the entire warehouse. I'm just filming this stuff. I'm not actually doing any work. Is that it? Woohoo!
Had a nice quiet trip up just to come up. Had some product development meetings where we were just going to do some stuff on the computer. Now I need a shower. I want to go home.
Oh my, I don't know how we are going to do this.
Jordan!
Josh?
Jordan?
Josh?
Jordan? Jordan?
Josh?
Jordan?
Josh? What are you doing?
Jordan?
Hey, what are you doing back here?
How'd you get in there?
I don't know. I'm not sure how to get out, but what's up?
I got Matt from Amtrak on the phone for you.
Oh, excellent. I don't really know how to get there, but I'll do my best.
Good luck with that.
All right, thanks.
Are you stuck again?
I'm stuck.
Oh, come on. This is the fourth time. Oh.
Alright, so before Jordan finds out that I stole one of his beautiful tempo sets, we're gonna have a look at this thing. Would you look at this box? This is amazing. It's so striking. I think Jason actually did the artwork and I'm quite impressed with it.
Oh, gee, thanks.
So let's get this open. What do we got here? Look at this. Look at this tempo book. Isn't that amazing?
Kevin Holland wrote that. He designed it too. He did everything.
Yeah. What we got all the paperwork here. We got BOMs. We got instructions.
Oh, check out. Open the book.
Let's look at the book here.
Wow.
Look at these photos.
Holy moly, that looks amazing. Note this is free with the tempo set. Though we've made extra books, so we have to announce those. All right, keep going. This really is the first time we've opened one of these boxes, so let's have a look.
Sorry, I'm a little distracted by that book. All right, now let's see what we're all after. So what do we got here? We got our extra little detail parts. Put those aside. Let's see, we got a glass here. We got two glasses actually. Let's see what these look like. Oh, look at that. Look at that beautiful tempo glass.
Fabulous. That's gorgeous. There's 2 of those, eh?
So we've got 2 glasses.
Yeah.
And we've got tempo napkins. So the CN guys will be happy that now they get their own napkin. Because the CP guys have had napkins for about 12 years now.
Turn it over.
Oh, look at that. Okay, the VA guys are going to be happy as well now, too.
Oh, I made those.
So, all right. And we got our wand for our lighting. So let's see here. Let's start with the locomotive. Look at that thing. Now, I don't want to open this up too much because me and my grubby hands will probably break something.
But we can try and take it out of the packaging without breaking something.
Let's see what we got here. Wow. Oh, look at that thing.
Wow. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. I love the head end power generator up on the top there. The radiators from that.
I mean, I'm not a CN guy myself, but that is one sexy looking locomotive.
Look at those. The grill work is gorgeous. Dan Darnell did an amazing job on these.
Even on the other side too. That is amazing.
Beautiful.
All right.
Want some cars?
Yeah. Let's set that aside so we don't break it. All right, now let's go for a car. Now this one's the VSCN set.
So no, those are actually Vias.
Sorry, straight
But-
Vias.
Straight Vias, but they burnished off the CN logo, and you could still see them afterwards. So what the factory did is the cars are painted aluminum finish, and then the CN logos are in a slightly contrasting shade. So let's see if we can grab that in the...
Look at that car. Do you ever think you would see a tempo train made and ready to run? Ever?
I kept on bugging all the other manufacturers on the forums to build one. Until I finally bit the bullet, right?
That underbody detail is amazing.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Roller bearings to make the inside bearing truck spin,
Yeah.
wheel spin.
Now, are we able to see the interior a little bit? Now, I did the artworks on these, so it's always nice to see an artwork come to life like this.
Yeah. You know, you really should show off some of the more fancy artworks you did. Like this one.
Oh, thanks, Mr. Hand. Let's see. And again, same amazing orange box design. Orange red, if you will. Now this one, I'm running out of table space here.
I'll just put it on top.
Now this one's for the Agawa Canyon tour train. After the Rio Grande ski train stopped running with these cars, CN actually bought them back to modernize the Agawa Canyon tour train. Oh, look at that! Look at that color! Isn't that amazing?
Wow.
The full detail Agawa Canyon graphics.
I just hope we stay in focus here on the name there. No, it's going out of focus. There we go. Got it. Beauty.
Same amazing underbody detail.
Look at that. Wow. Well, what would you say, Josh? It's a success?
I say it's a beauty hit.
Beauty hit.
There's going to be a lot of people happy to see these cars.
Fantastic. So, getting shot here. If you want to get your tempo, contact your hobby shop, and you can still order your ski train, right? So
Yep.
your Rio Grande ski train, same beautiful cars, and yeah, contact your hobby shop, order now. Okay,
Beauty.
beauty goal.
Beauty goal.
Okay, goodbye.
Bye.
$743, 740. Hold on a second. Where's the tempo, eh? Someone took one of the tempos. Oh, gee. Tempo's gone. All this counting. Someone's taken one of my tempos.